Hi, good evening. So today I entered into a trade on Dabur. So the reasons actually why we entered the Dabur trade today. Uh, let's go through the fundamental and technical analysis and see why we entered into the trade. So this is the latest, the investor presentation from Dabur on February 2nd, 2022. If you see the revenue from operations, then EBITDA and profit before tax and profit after tax. So we can see the growth was significantly growing from quarter on quarter compared to the financial years 2020, 2021, and 2022. So it shows that growth on all the EBITDA, profit before tax and profit after tax. And these are the new products it was introduced in this financial year Q3. So these are the herbal product that was newly launched and introduced into the market by Dabur. This helps to improve the new business growth, which we can see the performance in the next quarter. And the other new products are like the baby care products, ranging from diapers, shampoo, lotions, and oils. So these are the new range of products it was introduced in the last financial year Q3 2022. And this slide shows the last 9 months performance in the financial year 2022, which was compared against the financial year 2021 and 2020. Even here, the revenue, the EBITDA, and profit before tax and after tax, you can see the significant growth on the uh, overall revenue. So this is a good comeback, from the COVID pandemic downfall. And this is the financial statement. So if you see the EBITDA here and the earnings per share also, it was significantly increasing year on year. And from the shareholding perspective, so if you see there, I can see 0.35 percentage, increase on the mutual fund shareholding on the last quarter, December 2021. And there is no much change in the foreign FII shareholding and promoter shareholding, and the retail there was slight increase. But mutual fund, I can see there was a significant growth in the shareholding. And from the technical perspective, if you see this is the volume, the data from the NSE. If you see the last trading day, like on 4th February Friday, if you see the volume, it was quite significant, like around 27 lakhs volume, and the total value traded was almost 152 crores. So when it compared to the last, almost a month of trading days, the volume was quite significant and high on the 4th February, and the value traded also it was quite high. Let's go to the chart, and from the chart, this is the Dabur India chart, the 1 day time frame. If you see, so this is the support zone or the resistance zone. So if you see previously, it took a strong support here before the strong rally upside move, and again it tested the same support region and moved up, but it failed to sustain and it came down. Now on the 4th of February, there is a breakout where it's broken this support resistance line zone, and it's closed above with a significant volume. If you see the last 4 days volume before this breakout, it was quite the increasing volume on a day by day. And if you see the RSI, also it was quite increasing, and it was above 50 plus levels now. And this is the ADX. So ADX also, it was above 25. This is the 25 line, so it was above 25. So which shows that the trend and the direction is strong. So, and there is a MACD crossover happen. So these are the four significant technical factors that indicates that there is a strong upside movement further in Dabur. And I can see there is a pattern which is forming is on the inverted head and shoulder pattern, where this is the neckline, and it is trying to hit here, and it will form a neckline. There will be a pullback, and then it will break this 590 level, and it can go up to 650, and this is the first target. So the reason why we entered even today at the 566 level is actually like it's closed above the strong support zone with good volume, increasing volume, and RSI is above 50, and area is also, it is showing good strength, and there is a MACD crossover happen. So after Friday's strong breakout, today it's tested the same level and it didn't go down further. So I'm expecting it will hit 590 and there will be some pullback, and in few days or months, it will go up to the 650 level. So logical stop loss would be somewhere in the here. The previous swing low, it was around the 527 level, 526 level. So and the target would be 650. So the risk reward here is almost 40 points risk and almost 80 points, is the target. So the risk reward is 1 is to